How are you, Dan? I haven't seen you in a really long time, buddy. Hi, Duke. Oh. You want to see something? What's going on? What are you? Oh, what are you? Oh, you're going to spoil it, Dan. What do you want? What do you want? Show me. Show me. Show me what you want. Show me what you want. Oh, no, he smiled. What do you want, Dan? What is it? Could it possibly be... Could it possibly be... this?
No, you're not going today.
Oh, geez. Is it this? You want this? What is that? Are we gonna go for a... Dan? Hey, Dan. Dan, sit. Sit. Are we gonna go for a car ride? You wanna go for a car ride? Oh, don't jump. Okay.